Okay, well, you can see that it's Wayne Warner from the Lyons Club. Some cemeteries I think would be a little creepy to live next to, but some I don't think so, and I don't think this one would be too creepy to live next to. I'm starting on the this is the northeast corner or north part of the cemetery. There's a funeral going on and I don't want to disturb them. Like it's just wrapping up right now. I'll let you guys try to pronounce that one. Why did someone let their dog poop right on this gravestone? Have you guys ever been to, is it Brazil? I can't remember where it's at. That statue that's up on the hill overlooking the city in that South America. I want to say it was Brazil. See, look at that. Right there. Oh yeah, this one's fresh too. No headstone yet. Okay, there's a wood cross over here. I see these little trails that go off to the side, and I don't really want to go off to and see what's over there. I've never been here before to this cemetery, even though I lived in Lyons for 2 or 3 years. I got my drone, and it's a little bit windy here, but I want to do the aerial view, but I think it's a little disrespectful to do it when there's a funeral going on, or wrapping up, what do you want to call it. See all those footprints in there? I don't see pads, so I'm wondering if that's elk or deer, probably. I hit a deer 2 or 3 miles up the canyon from here, like on 36. It's fresh though. Yeah, 1948 to 2022. There's another new one now. Like, what's going on? It's like 3 or 4 of them already. Okay, there is a trail that leads out of this cemetery. Put in the comments, I'm not sure about this. Are these just really old ones? Very old ones, because looks like the old part of the Lyons Cemetery. Obviously yeah, for some reason Lyons does get dumped on with snow sometimes. I see all these trails, little tiny trails. That's got to be deer trail. I can't tell if this is an old one or not old. 1901. That was like a 12-year-old. As a baby, same family. No, that's an old one. the big tree that they cut down last year or so. And you'll never believe it, they have replaced all the headstones here too. Imagine that. I've been to like, what is it, like, what am I, like 35 different cemeteries I've been to, and they've all changed name on all of them. Oh, this is all new. Or I should say fairly new, 2017. Lyons, Colorado Stoneworks. That's kind of cool. I wonder why they haven't done that one yet. Oh, that's probably because it's a new headstone, but look at, they both died in the same year. And they were both born in the same year. Born 1832. Can't you? 19 something, 1904 I think. Not too far from the, we're not too far from the Estes Park Cemetery that I went to. But this one, I think this is too low to be for deer to protect the plants. That looks like it's for rabbits. They're pretty close together on this one. I think I see one on the hill, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, look at there's deer, or is that elk poop? Looks like elk, maybe elk. Brian Charles Stiff, 1970 to 2012, 42. I bet he's stiff now. He must have been into bikes.